All right, we are going to do CSS battle. Starting our stopwatch, going to CSS battle. My computer's still I just restarted, so things are still happening. I don't know what's happening right now. Discord starting. Let's close that. Okay. Style. Background. Gonna be green. What is this thing? I don't know what this thing is. It looks like it's some partial circles. Yeah, partial circles. There's a quarter circle, quarter donut actually that goes this way, and a quarter donut that goes this way. I think is what I'm seeing. I don't know. We are going to do a border. Are we? I don't know. Oh, no, comic radio. Nope, radio. Oh, let's say background first. Radio. It's going to go from, can be transparent. It's going to go to this color, and then it's going to be transparent again. It's going to, for now, get a 1Q keyword. This is going to be 80 pixels. This is going to be 0, 120 pixels. And that one can be 0. Okay, not nearly thick enough, but that's all right. It's also, the radius is too big. Let's make this something like 40, and probably 60, something like that. And then 140, and then let's move this over, say at 0, 0, then comma. I want 1Q first. There's what I'm kind of looking for. Although I don't know why I didn't do this on the HTML at this point. All right, so I want it at 0, 100%. Maybe that's what I want. Then I'm going to move it. 100 pixels, 100 pixels. Okay. Let's move it down 90. It's moving it up. Oh, because it started at the bottom. Got it. So let's do minus 100. That's actually not that bad. It's not right, but it's not that bad. Let's also say minus, or just make this 90. No, start 90, just 90. It's going to be 92 and 102. Yeah, okay. Now this needs to get thicker at least. It's going to be 160. And then, of course, it has to move down. 70. Nope, wrong way. 90. This becomes 80. There we go. Now the radius needs to be bigger. Needs to be 80. Nope. 60 was right. Does this need to be bigger? Maybe. And now the radius needs to be smaller. Or, no, bigger. Okay, now we're getting closer. It's not right yet. Try 200. Move it back down 40. And now the inside needs to be bigger again. There is the shape that we were looking for. Okay, now we need to flip it. So I'm asking myself again, why? Let's just do a paragraph tag. We're going to say height, HT. It's going to be not 300. It's going to be 2. It's going to be 300 minus 8 minus 8. It's going to be 280 4. Outline 1Q solid. Has to be in the DOM if we expect to see it. There it is. Can I just say scale -1? That's close, but wrong. How do I want to flip? I want to flip horizontal, which that should be doing. There it is. Okay, we can get rid of the outline, and that should be a match. Let's go ahead and load our extension. That's almost 6 minutes to a match. That's terrible. Did it not finish submitting? I guess it didn't. Oops. Twice. Okay. That was indeed a match. It's going to be 147 characters. Let's go ahead and unit replace, minify, submit, credify. All right. So we have a solution at 145. Can we just move things up? I mean, sure, but some things are going to break when we do that. We don't need that background anymore. We don't need, whoops, shouldn't need height, and scale goes up there. If we want to do that, I think we have to say margin 0 here. We can get rid of the paragraph selector. Now we just need a background of this color, but it's going to be applied twice is the problem. So maybe instead of that, we can do this. But that means can't do that. So I want yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna pause while I think about things because you're sitting here watching me stare at the screen. It's not that fun. Anyway, this is close to where we were. It may not be exactly where I played it a little bit. Let's try fixing these. They previously accounted for the user agent margin on the body, which is 8 pixels, which is no longer there. Oh, you know what it is? Margin 0 needs to be here. There. Now we need to put these in the right place, which means this is 50. Okay. Now we have the shape. We don't have the yellow background, is the problem. One way of solving the yellow background problem is saying, putting the background here. Unfortunately, when we do that, and I can get rid of these paragraph tags unrelated to my current conversation. When we do that, what we're seeing is because we have star selector here, the body is inheriting this entire background statement, which includes this yellow color. We don't want that yellow color. So we can say var C for color, I don't know. We can put that there, and then here we can say C is nothing. That gets us down to 138. That's a lot. That's a lot, but that's what I have today. We can unit replace. Maybe we can cheat and use 53Q. Can we play with colors if we have white and we need yellow? That's 9 away. That's not going to help. If we have yellow and we need purple, we got nothing. Yeah, I don't know. That's where I am today. 136. Let's minify, submit, gridify. That's what I got. Could you do this with borders? Sure. Sure you could. Might be better. Might not. I don't know. Try it. Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.